too. I definitely prefer being outdoors. Hello, Big Chuck. I love the outdoors. I love the fresh air, outdoors, activities, being active myself. Sitting in front of a TV screen to watch something is just something I won't do, okay? So I will much rather be out there hunting or fishing or hiking or dirt biking or snow machining. So whenever people are like, oh, are you watching the game tonight? It was like, what game? Who's playing? What sport? Which country? Like, I don't know. No, I don't. No, I don't. Playing sports, doing activities, getting outdoors, being active, than sitting down watching football or hockey or whatever people watch, baseball, basketball. What else do people watch? Rugby, golf. The activity of golf. I know I'm gonna get a lot of haters off this, okay? But I feel like if you're gonna use the word sport, it has to be something like physical and active and something that like elevates your heart rate. To call it a sport, it has to get your blood pumping and be a workout. So when people say, like, what do you do for a sport? Like, oh, I play golf. And it was like, don't get me started. No, I haven't golfed before, but obviously I understand the concept of hitting a ball with a stick, standing, walking, hitting a ball. So when people say that they play golf as a sport, I was like, okay, well then what do you do? Like, how do you stay in shape? Golf is a ton of walking, 20K step. But it's walking. You literally walk through life every day. You can't say that you're getting a ton of activity because you walked for golf. No, I won't agree to that. Like, how do you go to the bathroom? How do you go to work? How do you make dinner? You're walking. You are always walking. Walking is just something that we do all the time. But yes, I do not consider golf a sport. I know. And it's summertime. There's tons of people golfing right now. But if you want to golf, it has to be something that gets your adrenaline pumping. Maybe my adrenaline doesn't get pumping because I don't get excited about golf. Golf is the best. Golf is not the best. Okay. Can we just like agree to disagree on this one? For all you golf fanatics out there, I get it's golfing season, but I just don't. So I have a lot of friends that have like recently taken up golf too in the last couple, I guess, years. And they're like, are you gonna golf? I'm like, are you kidding me? Do you know how many hobbies I have? How many sports I do or activities? Between like mountain biking, dirt biking, cross country skiing, downhill skiing, downhill mountain biking, snow machining, fishing, which I guess fishing is not an activity to get my heart rate going, but whatever. I like fishing. Let's not go there, okay? But yeah. So no, when I can no longer ride a snow machine or a dirt bike or a mountain bike, then I may swap those out for golfing. But in the meantime, when I am young-ish, healthy, fit, active, whatever, I am going to be doing more exhilarating activities. Snow machining is 0 steps. You say that, but I mean, if you've ever rode hard, rough, fast trails, you literally use your entire body when you're snow machining. Like, I went on big snow machine trips and been, like, my whole body's been sore. Because, like, you're throwing your body into it. You're taking corners. If you get stuck, you're pulling yourself out. Snow machining can use your entire body. It can. Good morning from Tallahassee, Florida. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Oh, we got a Green Bay Packers. Hopefully he wasn't in here earlier when we were talking about how much I don't like football.